Otter.ai review. Watch before using. Most people think Otter.ai is just another note-taking app, but the surprising truth is, it can completely change how you capture meetings, classes, and interviews if you know exactly how to use it and what to avoid. Otter.ai is an artificial intelligence transcription tool designed to listen to live conversations and turn speech into written text in real time. It works on phones, tablets, and computers, and it integrates with popular platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. The moment a meeting starts, Otter can automatically join, record, and transcribe everything being said. The main benefit is speed. A 1-hour meeting can be transcribed in seconds. Instead of writing notes while trying to keep up, you can stay focused and let Otter do the heavy lifting. It also highlights keywords, separates speakers, and lets you search for exact phrases later. That means you can instantly find that one sentence your boss mentioned 3 weeks ago. But here's what most people get wrong. They assume the transcripts are perfect. They are not. Otter is very good, but it still struggles with heavy accents, fast speakers, background noise, and technical terms. If you rely on it blindly, mistakes can slip into your records, which can be dangerous in legal, medical, or financial conversations. Otter offers a free plan, but it has limits. You get a monthly minute cap and fewer export options. Paid plans increase recording limits, unlock advanced search, and improve collaboration features. For freelancers, students, journalists, and remote workers, the paid plan often pays for itself by saving time. Another thing you should know is privacy. Otter stores recordings in the cloud. While it uses encryption, sensitive conversations should still be handled carefully. Always check your organization's data policies before using it for confidential meetings. So who should use Otter.ai? If you attend frequent meetings, interviews, lectures, or training calls, Otter can save hours each month. If you need perfect transcripts for legal records, you may need to review and edit carefully or combine it with human proofreading. The surprising truth is this: Otter is not meant to replace your brain. It is meant to free your brain. When used properly, it becomes a powerful assistant rather than a risky shortcut. If this review helped you understand Otter.ai more clearly, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews that save you time and money.